Yo, 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 welcome back to week 5 of this 6-bed, 7-bath HMO conversion here in South Tyneside. Super impressed with the progress in the last 7 days. Come on in, check it out. So as you can see now, we've dropped all of the ceilings in the corridor. We've pulled all of the cabling through now, right to go to the new electric meter on the corner here. So first fix electrics on these types of deals does take a little bit of time, but we've now cracked it. The first fix electrics is complete throughout the property, and we've started to board up quite a lot of the walls as well. So super impressed with the progress. As you can see, it's really started to form the property now. So this is your downstairs WC. Boarding on the outside has all been complete. The doorway has now been created for bedroom number 1, and we can really start to see the size of this room now. It's a really decent size. We've had all the plasterboard being done on this side of the wall. The taping up's been done, ready for the plastering as well. So again, with these types of projects, a lot of time, when you're doing the groundwork, putting in the first fix electrics, boarding all the ceilings, dropping all the ceilings, putting all the room sizes in place, that takes a bit of time. And once we get to the plastering stage, you'll really start to see some real fast progress on these sites. So again, we've had a lot of hiccups. So if you haven't watched any of the previous videos, episode 1, 2, 3, or 4, head over to our YouTube channel, Platinum Property Team, give it a like, give it a subscribe, but also see what you think of the progress so far on these sites as well. And again, help us out as much as possible by dropping. So as you can see, here, this is the ensuite for this room now. It's really come together. I love the size of these ensuites because you can fit, a 1,000 by 800 shower tray, a decent sized toilet, and a decent sized sink as well. And that really is important. So when you're dealing with student HMOs, it's not so crucial to get big ensuites and big showers and luxurious sort of like feeling in the property. But when you're dealing with professional HMOs and, people like yourself and myself, if they're going to live in a property like this, maybe they've split up from their partner or they can't afford to rent a whole place themselves, you want to make it feel as homely as possible. So the bigger rooms you can get, great. The bigger ensuites you can get, even better, because again, everyone loves spending a bit of time in the shower and just relaxing as well. So we'll head on through. Again, good progress on the first fix electrics and the boarding. Bedroom number 2, again, same thing. The ensuite is nice and large. You can fit a huge shower at the end here, toilet and sink. All the first fix electric's been pulled through. And again, in this bedroom, you've got space on the wall here for a desk. You've got your internet connection. You've got your double socket, as well as aerial and everything for your TV on the wall as well. So we'll come through and see where the biggest changes have happened. So again, the doorway's now been created for the communal space. Which is good, but the biggest change you probably see is we've now opened this wall up. So this wasn't supporting, so we haven't had to put any lintels in or any supporting joists. But as you can see now, it's really opened this room up as well. And I was talking to Henry in regards to the lintels we have to put in these types of properties, and there's 3 different types. So as you can see here, you've got a timber lintel, which then timber lintels would normally go above windows, just like that one, or above doors, on small sort of openings where they are load bearing. You can use the likes of timber lintels. However, when you go to a certain size, so you can see here we've taken out a much larger space than just where that window is. The next one up is a concrete lintel. So this concrete lintel there, double lintel, goes across here because it is a supporting wall. But because you've got so much still here in this large chimney breast, we haven't had to put a steel in there. And the larger the space, the larger the opening, the difference of lintel you have to put in as well. So again, kitchens open up nicely. All the rubble's been bagged up, ready to go out the side of the property as well. And if we come out the back, I haven't shown you out the back yet. But there has been a lot of waste. So we've already had 3 or 4 truckloads of waste already removed, but you can still see here there is a lot of stuff to get rid of. So when you rip these houses apart, there is going to be a lot of waste. So make sure if you do refurbs like these ones, you do account for a ton of waste getting removed as well. So we'll head back through the house and I'll show you the changes upstairs. Next stage in this communal space will be line up where things like sockets and TVs and making sure we know exactly where the furniture is going to go. So with these communal spaces, you know, kitchen, dining, and living spaces, it's really important that you do plan exactly where things are going to go, because if not, you get later down the line not be able to fit your sofa in exactly where you wanted, so it won't be lined up with a telly and things like that as well. So head on through. Again, if you haven't done so already, check out some of our other videos on the channel. Hit that subscribe button, like, really helps the algorithm as we are a brand new channel. But yeah, so again, bedroom 3. So we've opened up the space now, ready for the doorway here. We'll come on through. This is one of the smallest rooms in the house. But again, still probably 7.5, 8 meters squared. So a decent size, but also it's got a really, really nice bathroom. Unfortunately, with a lot of these HMOs, because we build en suites in, you don't get a window in your bathroom. But as you can see here, if you come on in, this was originally the bathroom. So there's a nice window there for this person. So room slightly smaller, en suite slightly bigger, and you've got a window in there as well. So really handy. Now, you can probably see the biggest changes. So if you wait there, I'll just show you. When you stand here now, if you look back to the last video when we talked about the damp on the wall quite a lot, this has all changed. You know, we've had to rip this wall down to build it new. It wasn't in great condition, so we pulled that down, but it's opened up the space to really see your next bedroom. So again, bedroom number 4, same thing. We've built the ensuite, all the first fix electrics done, all the boarding started, the ceilings have been dropped, so it's really coming together now. We've now created the ensuite here. As you can see, I'll go round, but the ensuite, you'll enter it from here. You know, again, we're going to build the wall out a bit further, the floor out a bit further for your shower, toilet and your sink, and a really decent size for this bedroom number 5. Again, the whole wall's been ripped back now. The investor actually came to visit site 2 days ago just to see progress, number 1, but also to go ahead with the treatment for the wall. You know, we wanted to make sure he was happy to have the whole wall treated as well. So, and then finally, I'll go through into bedroom number 6. Again, really decent size. Ceilings have all been dropped. First fix electrics are finished. And we'll come through and I'll show you the final ensuite as well, which is a really, 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 really decent size. So, yeah. As you guys can see now, week 5 of the project, all of the walls have been created. All of the rooms are formed. First fix electric is done. Now we're about to move on to the first fix plumbing stage, and also getting this property ready for plastering. So we've had the building control out recently to make sure she's happy with all the size of the rooms, you know, the drainage and different things like that. But then what we're going to do is we're going to start to get the walls all prepared, ready for plaster, insulation, soundproofing, first fix plumbing, dig all the drainage and put all the drainage through the property ready for the first fix stage of the plumbing as well. So if you're liking this series so far, like I said, smash that like button, drop us a comment what you'd like to see on the next videos, but all positives from me so far on week 5. And it's nice to be talking about some positives rather than that damp wall we've been talking about for the last 4 weeks. So again, hope you enjoyed the rest of your day, guys. Thanks for watching and keep watching for more.